In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to earn extra income can feel overwhelming. This video is designed to help you discover how to monetize your simple daily routines effortlessly. We'll explore creative strategies that allow you to turn your everyday habits into money-making opportunities, making it easier than ever to boost your earnings without significant lifestyle changes. The purpose of this video is to empower beginners with practical tips and insights that can seamlessly integrate into their lives. Imagine earning money while doing things you already enjoy, like cooking, exercising, or even scrolling through social media. These effortless income strategies can transform your daily activities into profitable ventures, providing you with financial freedom and flexibility. Get ready to uncover exciting ways to enhance your income streams without the need for drastic changes. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or simply enjoy a little extra cash, this video will inspire you to think outside the box. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest, tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. Click the link in the description below to find more information about the tools that you can use to turn your habits into opportunities. Join us as we dive into innovative ideas that can help you make money while doing what you love. Step 1. Identify your everyday habits that can be monetized. The first step in turning your daily routines into income is to identify the habits you already have that can be monetized. Common activities like walking, cooking, and exercising can serve as excellent starting points. For instance, if you enjoy walking, consider joining a fitness app that pays you for your steps or participating in local walking challenges that offer rewards. Cooking is another fantastic opportunity. If you love preparing meals, think about starting a food blog or sharing your recipes on social media. You could even offer meal prep services or cooking classes to those looking to learn. Exercising can also be transformed into a money-making venture. You might explore becoming a fitness coach or creating workout videos to share online. Reflect on your daily routines and think about how you can leverage your skills and interests. By recognizing these potential opportunities, you can begin to see how your everyday habits can generate income. Take a moment to jot down your daily activities and brainstorm ways to monetize them. This reflection will set the foundation for your journey toward effortless income. Step 2. Research platforms for monetizing your habits. Once you've identified your everyday habits that can be monetized, the next step is to research the right platforms to showcase your skills. There are numerous options available, each catering to different interests and audiences. For instance, if you enjoy creating videos or sharing your expertise, YouTube is an excellent platform to reach a wide audience and generate income through ad revenue and sponsorships. If your passion lies in crafting or creating unique products, consider Etsy, where you can sell handmade items or digital downloads. For those focused on fitness, various fitness apps allow you to share workout routines or offer coaching services, providing a direct way to monetize your exercise habits. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific habit and target audience. Think about where your potential customers or followers are most active and how you can best engage with them. Don't hesitate to explore multiple platforms to diversify your income opportunities. By leveraging different channels, you can maximize your reach and increase your earning potential. Take the time to research and find the platforms that resonate with your skills and interests, setting the stage for your monetization journey. Step 3. Create content or products based on your habits. Now that you've identified your habits and chosen the right platforms, it's time to create engaging content or products that resonate with your audience. If you enjoy sharing your experiences, consider producing videos or writing blog posts that highlight your daily routines. For example, you could create cooking tutorials, fitness vlogs, or lifestyle tips that showcase your unique perspective and expertise. In addition to content, think about product ideas that align with your habits. If you love cooking, you might develop meal prep guides or recipe ebooks. For fitness enthusiasts, creating personalized workout plans or offering virtual training sessions can attract clients looking for guidance. If crafting is your passion, consider selling handmade items or DIY kits that inspire others to get creative. Quality and authenticity are crucial in your creations. Ensure that your content is well-produced and your products are thoughtfully designed. Authenticity builds trust with your audience, encouraging them to engage with your work and share it with others. By focusing on quality and staying true to your passions, you'll create valuable offerings that not only reflect your habits but also resonate with those who share your interests. Step 4. Market your content or products effectively. Once you've created your content or products, the next crucial step is to market them effectively. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook are powerful tools for promotion. Use visually appealing images and engaging captions to showcase your work. Regularly post updates, behind-the-scenes content, and success stories to keep your audience engaged and informed. Utilize hashtags relevant to your niche to increase visibility and attract new followers. Collaborating with influencers or other creators can significantly expand your reach. Partnering with someone who shares a similar audience can introduce your content or products to potential customers who may not have discovered you otherwise. Consider guest appearances on each other's platforms or co-hosting events to leverage each other's networks. Building a personal brand around your habits is essential for long-term success. Your brand should reflect your unique personality, values, and expertise. Consistency in your messaging and visuals helps establish recognition and trust among your audience. Share your journey, successes, and challenges to create a relatable narrative that resonates with others. By effectively marketing your content and cultivating a strong personal brand, you'll attract a loyal following and increase your earning potential. Step 5. Engage with your audience and build a community. Engaging with your audience is a vital step in monetizing your habits and creating a sustainable income stream. Responding to comments and feedback from viewers or customers shows that you value their input and fosters a sense of connection. This interaction not only builds trust, but also encourages more people to engage with your content or products. Consider creating a newsletter to keep your audience updated on new offerings, tips, and insights related to your habits. This direct line of communication allows you to share exclusive content and promotions, further strengthening your relationship with your followers. Additionally, joining online groups or forums related to your niche can provide valuable networking opportunities and insights from like-minded individuals. Building a community around your passions can lead to more income opportunities. As your audience grows and becomes more engaged, they are more likely to share your content, recommend your products, and support your endeavors. A loyal community can also provide feedback and ideas for new offerings, helping you refine your approach and expand your reach. By prioritizing engagement and community building, you'll create a supportive environment that not only enhances your brand, but also opens doors to increased income potential. Step 6. Track your progress and adjust strategies as needed. Tracking your progress is essential for successfully monetizing your habits. Start by setting measurable goals for your income, whether it's a specific dollar amount or a target number of sales or followers. Having clear objectives will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards achieving them. Utilize tools for tracking your income and engagement, such as spreadsheets or dedicated apps. These tools can help you monitor your earnings, analyze your audience engagement, and assess which content or products are performing best. By keeping detailed records, you can identify trends and make informed decisions about where to invest your time and resources. It's crucial to adapt your strategies based on what works best for you. Regularly review your progress and be open to making changes if certain approaches aren't yielding the desired results. Experiment with different types of content, promotional tactics, or platforms to see what resonates most with your audience. Flexibility is key in this journey. By being willing to adjust your strategies, you can optimize your efforts and maximize your income potential. Tracking your progress and adapting as needed will ensure you stay on the path to success in monetizing your everyday habits. Turning habits into income. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to transform your everyday habits into lucrative income opportunities. We began by identifying your habits that can be monetized, followed by researching the right platforms to showcase your skills. Next, we discussed creating engaging content or products that resonate with your audience and the importance of effectively marketing them. We emphasized the need to engage with your audience and build a supportive community, as well as the significance of tracking your progress and adjusting your strategies as needed. Now it's time for you to take action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to achieve your financial goals. Don't stop here. Explore more videos on our channel for additional income strategies and tips. Start today and unlock the potential of your everyday habits.